The aim of this tutorial is to give you an overview of the Exam Builder interface. When you create a new exam or open any existing exam for editing, here are a couple of things to expect. 1. Exam Status Badge. You'll see the status badge displaying the current state of your exam. The badge can be any one of 3 states: draft, the exam is being built and has not been published. Candidates cannot access it. Active, the exam is live, and candidates can access the exam login link. Deactivated, the exam was previously active but has been temporarily paused. 2. Central Jumbotron. The Central Jumbotron is the banner area where you can edit the exam title and access some quick actions. At the center of the banner is the text input box for where you can edit the exam's title. Below the title editor, you'll find a row of action buttons. These buttons change depending on the exam status. Responses button. This button has a small badge in the corner showing the number of exam attempts. Clicking it takes you to the exam results page, where you can view candidate responses, scores, and analytics. Print Preview button. Clicking this opens a print-friendly layout of your exam, perfect for reviewing how the exam will appear when printed on paper. Export button. Clicking this opens a window where you can download your exam in a portable format for backup or migration purposes. Primary Action button. This is the main action button on the far right. It changes based on the exam's current status. When your exam is still in draft status, the primary action button says Activate. Clicking it opens the activation wizard that guides you through the publishing process. When your exam is deactivated, the primary action button changes to Reactivate. Clicking it brings the exam back online, so candidates can access it again. No additional credits are charged for reactivation. On the right side of the action buttons row, you'll find a drop-down menu button represented by 3 dots that provides additional actions. The menu contains the following actions. Publish to Community. This lets you publish your exam to the Examhall Community Question Pack Marketplace, where other users can purchase it as a curated question pack. Clone Exam. This lets you create a duplicate of your current exam. You can give the cloned exam a new title. This is useful for creating variations of an exam or reusing a proven exam structure. Copy Exam Link. This copies the exam's login URL to your clipboard so you can share it with candidates. This option only appears when the exam is activated. Between the 4 main sections below the banner, you'll find a row of 4 tabs that let you switch between the major sections of the exam builder. Each tab takes you to a different part of your exam setup. Questions. This is where you build, edit, and organize all your exam questions. You can create questions from scratch, import them from documents, or pull them from your question bank. Respondents. This is where you decide who can take your exam. You can choose between opening it to anyone or restricting it to a specific list of candidates. You'll also set up access codes here. Settings. This is where you configure everything about how the exam runs: timing, proctoring rules, grading, onboarding instructions, certificates, and branding. Overview. This is your final review page. It shows a complete summary of your exam, so you can double-check everything before you activate it. Simply click on any tab to switch to that section. Your progress is tracked independently in each tab, so you can jump between them freely. Floating controls at the bottom of the page. As you build longer exams and scroll through content, you'll notice that certain controls stay pinned to the bottom of your screen. They are always visible, so you never have to scroll back to the top or bottom to find them. On the bottom left, you'll find the Navigator button. Clicking it opens a quick jump panel that lists every item in your current section. Click any item in the Navigator panel to instantly scroll to that question, setting, or section. Questions or items that have a validation issue, e.g. missing correct answer, appear highlighted in red so you can spot and fix them instantly. This is especially useful when working on large exams with many questions across multiple sections. On the bottom right, you'll find the Save button. After making any changes to your exam, editing the title, adding questions, adjusting settings, or modifying respondents, click Save to persist your work. The button becomes highlighted whenever there are unsaved changes. Once saved, you'll see a success message: all changes saved. Always save before navigating away from a tab or attempting to activate your exam to avoid losing your progress.